A lot of people think that fractions are really scary, but I have a secret. They're not. Once you understand the concept of a fraction, they're super easy. Fractions are ways to represent parts of a whole. They make life easier for us. If we didn't have fractions, we wouldn't be able to split a whole pizza into enough slices for different amounts of people. I'm going to show you guys two popular fractions, and then you'll explore more with your teacher. The first is a half. We show this in fraction form by writing a 1 divided by a 2. This means our whole has two parts, and we only have one of those parts, so we have half of the whole. The bottom number in the fraction tells us how many parts our whole has, and the top number tells us how many parts of that whole we have. You could have half of a watermelon, half of a sandwich, half of a candy bar, and many, many more. The last fraction we're going to look at today is 1/4. We showed this in fraction form by writing a 1 divided by a 4. This means our whole has 4 parts, and we only have one of those parts. These sandwiches are both divided into fourths. If I was to have 1/4 of this sandwich, I would be eating only this part. The same goes for this sandwich. Even though the parts look different, they're both divided into 4 equal sections, so they both have 4/4. I hope by looking at 1/2 and 1/4, you guys now have a better understanding of fractions and their importance in our lives. Next time you're eating your food, think about what fraction it's divided into.